With us, criminal defense attorney David Bruno, trial attorney Wendy Patrick. David, I'll start with you. I mean, the number one question on everyone's mind at the end of the day is Becky Hill going to end up in a cell right next to Alex Murdaugh?
Wow, it sounds like it could be. It could be. Two things that jump at me on this reporting is, number one, I heard the phone, right? And we talked about the son being arrested and there being a search of her phone. If the evidence is in the phone, it's financial, right? Sounds like this is a financial case. It's really going to be a follow the money type allegation. And then what we also heard is criminal referral. Now, that doesn't typically happen without some solid evidence, especially if you got electronic evidence. Electronic evidence, accounts, electronic footprints and all that, and a referral for crimes does not sound good for Becky Hill.
All right, so let's look at the two. I think there's two that I think she really has to be concerned with, David. Of course, the one involving her son. Now, the allegations are, and again, these haven't been fully substantiated, but the idea is that she was telling her son to wiretap the phone of that employee to monitor the investigation into her ethics violations. So there's a problem there. And then the other one that caught my eye is the misappropriation of funds. Apparently, she was collecting funds from people, giving tours, telling people that if you gave money, it was going to go to the sort of renovations at the courthouse, buying new windows. But there's been no record of that money, nor has there been any accounting for that money. And she also allegedly used money from the budget of the courts to travel and meet with Netflix and promote her book. If those things are proven true, and again, these are just allegations, let me be firm about that, but if they are proven true, those are the types of things that could end her up in jail.
Yeah, especially the misappropriation of public funds. She is a public service officer. She has the trust of the public, as did her son, who ironically is also employed by the government, right? So, and also the financial nature of the allegations, as I said before. The financial records are going to be critical, and they're going to be very, very difficult to explain if they bear out these allegations of misappropriation. So that's one. And then the relationship with the son, potentially you got emails or messages, who knows how they communicated. But if they did communicate over the phones, there's going to be evidence of that conspiracy, so to speak, with her son. And she had the motive to do what is alleged as well, because she had the ethics complaints in the investigations.